Okay.
Oh no, here comes the boy.
Oh yeah, there they come. What are you going after there, Coco? Alright. Alright, you can't have any of that stuff.
They're guarding it from you. Yeah, you tell them, Cookie, you tell them.
Oh yeah, Cookie, okay. Alright, here's your muffins. Where are you going to keep your muffins?
Anywhere. On the counter again.
What's going on, Cookie, huh? You mad at my feet? You think I'm wearing boots?
He says, don't go near my bed.
Yeah, don't go near Newman.
But here he's yelling, he's saying hi to
Oh yeah, sure. And biting me at the same time.
you. Alright. 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 Clear out the bird.